Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a topic called collision. First of all, we should know about the collision. In daily life we heard the topic of collision, that body collide. In this case two body are colliding, or in other cases truck collide with other object, bus, car. But what is the actual meaning of the term called collision? In scientific form or language, we can say that collision is a mutual interaction between two bodies for a short interval of time. As a result, the momentum and energy of bodies change. It is not necessary that body came in actual contact or physical contact. It is possible body suffers collision without coming in contact or physical contact, like in gold leaf experiment. When you bombard alpha particles toward the gold leaf target, the particles suffers collision without physical contact due to the repulsive force. In gas chamber, gas molecules also suffer collision without coming in physical contact. So it is not mandatory that particles came in actual contact or physical contact. Now in collision, there are two main types of collision in nature. One is called elastic collision and the other is called inelastic collision. And there are few characteristics in collision. First of all, in collision, momentum of system remain conserved. When two bodies are colliding, and after the collision, the total momentum or linear momentum of the system remains same, does not change. Secondary, kinetic energy of bodies also change, but the system, the whole system doesn't suffer any change in momentum. But when the collision is elastic in nature, in elastic collision, the kinetic energy of system also remains same. But in inelastic collision, it changes. So if we describe this collision or classify, there the first type of collision is elastic collision. In elastic collision, when two objects or bodies collide in such a way that momentum as well as kinetic energy of system remains same. It means when two objects collides, the total momentum and kinetic energy before the collision and after